original part of the elevator is?
The was the taller structure on the left.
Okay, so what we call the tower, the big tall part.
And
okay.
those silos to the east was the original elevator. And it was all boxcar in and boxcar out. I can't remember when they added on, but the eastern bank of silos was added on.
Okay.
Then they put in the truck dump and started taking farmer grain.
So we were told, I don't know if we got the information online, or someone told us that the first part here was built around 1913, 1914.
I would say before that.
Even
I would say
before
around
that?
the turn of the century.
Okay.
Yeah. And then there was a large stack here.
Okay. Come on over, Dave.
Stack.
We're doing an interview because you used to work here too, right?
No. I had my appendix burst here.
Oh, that's right. Because you were doing, what were you?
Hauling grain in.
Hauling grain
we
in.
used to haul grain in here. Yeah.
I was sitting on scale, my appendix burst. I drove back to Bill Hayden's house.
Oof.
Drove myself to the hospital.
Oh boy.
Fun
So,
times.
and
Boy.
what do you mean by a stack?
Well, it was a large smokestack.
Oh.
And I don't know what I think they burnt coal in it out in this area. And
Okay.
eventually they collapsed that and took it out of here. That was way before any of us were here too.
Okay.
So yeah, it's been through many stages. When the elevator was first built, they didn't have electric cord, of course. But whatever they burnt in this stack transferred the power up rope drives up to the top of the elevator. That's how they powered the conveyors.
Wow.
Really?
It was rope drives. You know, the rope's about that big around.
Wow.
Yeah.
Did they have a hoist on there too before the hydraulic dump? You know, like wagons and trucks and that, where they lifted them
Well,
up?
when they originally built it, there was no truck in. It was all box cars, boxcar in and boxcar out. Mostly oats and barley at that time. Yeah, they'd transfer. For some reason, you couldn't transfer from one railroad to the other in a boxcar. They had to unload it and reload it into competitors' boxcars.
Interesting.
Yeah. So, well, it looks like
Do we have a permit?
Yes,
it looks like you're legal.
Oh my goodness, a couple days before expected. We're so excited. Nice. I'll have to go get that big stack of cash we got for him hidden in the corner.
Yeah.
God, don't be putting that on there.